So Simba and I are still in Chesapeake, Virginia, and we're about to head over to the Dismal Swamp to check out the Lake Drummond Trail. So yeah, we'll go check it out and we'll see you over there. Hi, I'm Ash, and this is Simba, and we're life on Paws and Wheels.
That's life on the road. This is life on Paws and Wheels.
So a little change, we decided to go to the canal trail at the Dismal Swamp in Chesapeake, Virginia. We just got here, so we're going to head on in and check her out. The big bear means that we're back. Simba and I, a little bit tired, we decided to run a little bit because this was a very long trail, 16 miles, round trip. Honestly, not a very scenic trail here at the Dismal Swamp, the canal trail. Basically, it's just a long road and there's not much nature to really take in other than just like, trees and shrubs and that kind of stuff. But at least I can mark it off my list. But I'll see you next time, travelers. Have a good one.
Chasing sunsets and paw prints across the country. That's life on Paws and Wheels.